Man pours hot water over a store-bought apple, what comes off will disgust you. We all love apples and we all know the old saying apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Well, this is why many people just go to the local health store or supermarket and buy a bunch of apples, and go home feeling like they have done something good for their family. But you should be very careful because your store-bought apples may be covered with harmful wax. First, you should know that all apples produce a natural wax, but many are covered by a food-grade wax so they can stay in storage for long periods of time. And the bad thing about this is that some food-grade wax is made from petroleum products, and it is well known that petroleum is not good for the body. So here comes the million-dollar question, what you need to do to protect yourself. Well, first make sure you buy all your apples from a farmer's market or a local farm stand, and the only wax you will find on those apples is the natural wax the fruit creates to seal in moisture. But unfortunately, if you have to buy your apples from the store, make sure you give them a good cleaning before eating them or serving them to your family. Actually, do this with all fruits and veggies you buy from a store. You need to know that food-grade wax is put on most of them. Here's what you need to do: just fill the sink with about 4 inches of lukewarm water and add 1 tablespoon of both lemon juice and baking soda. Then you need to put the apples in the water and scrub them with a fruit or veggie scrub brush. After that, you need to rinse them and pat them dry. This should remove most of the wax. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
The 3 Juice Colon Cleanse: How Apple, Ginger and Lemon Can Flush Pounds of Toxins from Your Body. Before we start with this video and show you how to make the most powerful 3-ingredient juice cleanse, you should know that many people around the world suffer from chronic constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut, and other issues with the digestive system. We all know that the colon has an important job of eliminating waste, which means that it's extremely important for everyone to keep it running smoothly. And you shouldn't be worried, because there are things you can do to help alleviate discomfort associated with toxins and digestion issues in the body, such as a homemade colon cleanse. As we said, a colon cleanse is extremely important, and the best thing about this colon cleanser is that you don't need to see a doctor about it. Yes, you can make your own colon cleanser right at home. This powerful and extremely effective homemade colon cleanser can help you flush out some of the toxins in your body that could be contributing to your discomfort, and also offer natural relief from constipation. Just plan a day when you do not need to leave home so that you are able to adjust to the colon cleansing changes in your body, and the elimination of waste as you begin the detox and internal cleansing process. How to do the cleanse? The experts say that you should drink this powerful colon cleanser first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then have this mixture again just before a light lunch, preferably of steamed vegetables and baked salmon, and again mid-afternoon. And don't forget, you should have 6-8 glasses of room temperature water throughout the day. It may be best to slow down the consumption of liquids after 5 p.m. so that you are not awakened in the night with having to go to the bathroom. Homemade colon cleanse with 3 juices. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 100 Cuban pesos % pure organic apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 cup warm purified water. Directions. It's very simple, you just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do: you will need a tall glass and a spoon. To start, place 3.5 ounces of purified water in a pan. You want to warm the water, not boil it, so that you can drink the water at a safe temperature. After that, once it is warm, you need to pour it into your glass. And now you need to add the sea salt, often part of a salt water flush, and stir. The sea salt will help release toxins, pushing waste through the body and ultimately improving digestion. Now add the apple juice, ginger juice and fresh lemon juice and stir well. The nutrition-rich apple brings good health, and a healthy colon definitely needs good health. Did you know that a recent study has discovered that those who ate an apple a day had less visits to the doctor and fewer prescription medications? And when it comes to ginger, it's great because it reduces bloating while stimulating the colon, keeping it free from wastes and harmful toxins. And let's say a few words about the amazing and powerful lemon. Here's what you need to know. The lemon juice aids in digestion detoxification and is high in vitamin C, making it a great antioxidant. It's why it plays such a key role in my secret detox drink. Risks. You should also know that performing this type of colon cleanse should not present any problems. Note, but it is always good to check with your doctor if you are pregnant, have a disease, suffer from allergies, or are taking any prescriptions medications prior to any new activity. Note, you should be very careful and don't drink this juice if you are diabetic due to the high natural sugar content in apple juice. The experts say that you should do this treatment for 1 day or maximum a week.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.